Hello guys. In this video you will learn how to create an Android application to download YouTube video in Android Studio using Java. First let's start by adding required dependencies in build.gradle file. For this project we will be using Android YouTube Extractor library made by Herald and Glide library made by BumpTech. Now, let's build the UI in activity main.xml. Let's start by replacing constraint layout with relative layout and then add a toolbar. Then let's add text input layout and a text input edit text inside it, which we will be using to get the YouTube video URL that we want to download. Then let's add an image view to display the thumbnail of the YouTube video followed by some text views to show the title, channel name, duration and views count of the video. Now finally let's add a recycler view in the bottom. This recycler view will be used to display different download formats of the YouTube video. Now let's create result list item layout for the results recycler view. We will add a text view to display the format of the video, another one text video to display the extension of the video, and a button to trigger download function. Now let's create an adapter for the recycler view. The context is used to inflate the layout, and the array list contains all the result files. Let's now create a view holder for this adapter and specify the elements in the result list item layout. Let's initialize all the elements that we have declared above. Let's then extend this class to recycler adapter and parse the view holder, so that this class will become an adapter ideal for a recycler view. Here let's inflate the layout and return the view holder. Here we are displaying the format and extension of each element on the file list into the elements on the layout. Here we should return the size of the file list. If it is 0, then nothing will be displayed in the recycler view. Then let's create an interface for Click Listener. Now let's code the main activity.java file. First let's initialize the toolbar and add it to set support action bar function. Then let's initialize the download button, the text input edit text, the text views and the image view. Now let's set on click listener to the download button, and inside we will type the codes that will extract the video details from the YouTube URL that we have given on the text input edit text. Before that, let's type the necessary functions that we will need later. This get duration function will be used to convert video length from long format to hours, minutes, and seconds format. Then let's create a function named download. This function is used to download and save the media to our device. Now let's go back to the download buttons on Click Listener and type some codes there. Let's call the YouTube extractor class from the library that we added to our project and pass context into its constructor. Then let's define what should be done after extracting details from the YouTube URL. If the YT files are null, then it means there was an error while extracting the URL. So if the files are null, then we will display a toast message and will stop from executing further, so that the app won't be crashing. The video meta object contains details like YouTube video thumbnail, video title, channel name, video duration and views count. Let's display those details in the text view. Here we are sorting the extracted video files and we are adding the sorted files to the array list. We are doing this so that we get only valid files. Then let's display the results in the recycler view by adding the adapter to the recycler view. Oops, I forgot to add the constructor in the result adapter. This should work now. Let's initialize the recycler view and set the result adapter to it. Then let's set on item click listener to the adapter, so that when we click a download format this function will be called. And from here we shall pass the selected media format URL, the title of the video and the file name to the download function, from where the media will start to download. Here we are replacing all the symbols in the file name. Here instead of file name we should pass empty string. Sorry, I didn't notice it while recording. Finally, let's call the download function. This extract function should be called compulsorily to begin extracting the given URL. Inside the function we are passing the YouTube URL from the text input edit text. Sorry, I forgot to add download button in activity main file. Here let's add the code to load the thumbnail of the video to our image view using Glide. Now let's run this project. Let's test this with a YouTube video from my channel. Oops, instead of hint I have given text. Let's fix this and run again. The thumbnail hasn't displayed. There should be some issue. Alright, I see the issue. This can be fixed by replacing HTTP with HTTPS on the thumbnail URL. Now this should work fine. Yes, it works. -1 means the file is in audio format, and the others means the height pixels of the video file. Let's try downloading it. As you can see, this works. The source code is available in GitHub and the link to it is in the description. Thanks for watching. A like, share and comment would be appreciated. Also subscribe to this channel so that you won't miss any of the video that I post. Happy coding!